This is Avalon 2008. And the problem is AC leak. I check every pipe, every system, compressor, everything is okay. Now I check that is board evaporator is leak. This operator will leak. We must open a whole dashboard, and I show you step by step how to open. First we open this cover underneath the steering. One and two bolt open. Here is one bolt, this one the second bolt, this is the second bolt. Remove this cover and remove this bonnet cable. Remove this cover from here and this cover from here. Now we open the steering, one bolt here, steering cover, one bolt here and one here and one inside the cover. Now I remove the steering cover. This is two bolt, one bolt and the second bolt. Now I remove this one. This is the second bolt, this is airbag. And this one and this one. This four bolt open the airbag. This is the airbag. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt. Remove the OBD clip. This is the airbag clip. Now we open this transmission, this whole assembly. 2 bolt here and 2 bolt rear of the seat. Here one this one, another one this one. Inside this 2 bolt 12, 1, 2, these 2 bolt first we remove. Now we remove this, the gear. Now we remove this panel and this panel and pull out this cover, then this whole assembly. Now I remove this, one clip this and one clip this. Now we open the battery negative terminal. Now we open the steering. This steering. One bolt, this, 3 bolt. Another bolt here. One bolt in the side. This one. Remove this 3 bolt. I open this bolt, this and this. Down the steering. This is spring. Remove. Now we remove this cluster. Open this cover. Push button clip. Then remove 1, 2, 3. Inside the radio 4, 5 volt. Now we remove the radio. This radio assembly. I open from here 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and disconnect this to clip cigarette lighter and remove this. Remove this 1 and 2 bolt, this whole assembly out. Then remove the radio. This is radio. This is 1 clip, second clip, and this. No screw in the radio bus. Only push up and open. This is the air condition wiring, and this is the radio wiring. Now remove this box. This is 1, 2, and 3, and 3 screws underneath. After remove the box, glow box, then you open this airbag connector and this 1 bolt and the second bolt here, and this 10mm bolt, and open this cover and open this cover also, this one. This is cluster 1, 2, 3. Remove this 3 bolt, 4 bolt, and remove the cluster. I remove everything. one, two, tubeless leak.